Renault Austral is a hybrid family SUV that aims to combine efficiency, practicality, and style.
But how does it compare to its rivals in the crowded crossover market?
The Austral uses a 1.2-liter petrol engine and an electric motor to produce 200 brake horsepower and achieve up to 60.1 miles per gallon. It also emits less than 110 grams per kilometer of CO2, making it attractive for company car drivers. The hybrid system is smooth and responsive, and the Austral can start and drive on electric power alone for short distances. The 4-speed gearbox is simple and reliable, and the optional 4-wheel steering improves maneuverability and stability. The Austral has a sleek and modern design with LED lights, a large grille, and a distinctive rear spoiler. The cabin is spacious and well-equipped with a 9.3-inch touchscreen, a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, and a wireless charging pad. The materials are of high quality and the seats are comfortable and supportive. The Austral also offers a sliding rear bench, which can increase the boot space from 480 to 565 liters. The Austral comes with a range of safety features, such as autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. It also has a head-up display, a 360-degree camera, and a parking assistant.
The technology integration is impressive, and the controls are user-friendly and intuitive. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, and the digital instrument cluster can be customized to show different information. The Austral is not without its flaws though. It is not very cheap, starting from £32,332, and it faces stiff competition from cheaper and more established rivals, such as the Kia Sportage and the Hyundai Tucson.
The ride quality is also a bit harsh, especially on the top spec models with 20-inch wheels.
The engine can be noisy at high speeds, and the boot space is smaller than some of its competitors. Overall, the Renault Austral is a good choice for those who want a hybrid crossover that is efficient, practical, and stylish.
It has a lot of strengths, such as its smooth and responsive powertrain, its spacious and well-equipped cabin, and its advanced safety and technology features. However, it also has some weaknesses, such as its high price, its firm ride, and its limited boot space.
We would recommend it to those who value efficiency and technology over comfort and value.